how to download retro games on iOS device. So first we need to open our App Store, and from there we need to download this emulator. As you can see, it's called Delta Game Emulator. Just download it and then you will find this on your phone, this application. Just press, and this is the emulator. Now as you can see, it says no game, so you need to manually add game from your device. So let me show you first what games you can play from the settings. Let me show you. So as you can see, Nintendo, Super Nintendo, Nintendo 64, Game Boy Color. So you can play the games from each devices written here. So how you can play the games? For that you just need to download the game from the internet. Just type the game name, and after that you search for GBA. So for example, there is a game called XYZ. So just type on the internet XYZ, then GBA, then you will find the file. So let me show you how the file looks after you once download it. Just press the plus button, files. I have recently downloaded two games, so these are the files. As you can see, these are the games. I cannot, due to some policies, I cannot show you how you can download the process, but I'm pretty sure you are smart enough to get how you can download the game. So just I have downloaded these games, then just tab it and open. So now as you can see, this game has been loaded. Tap here. Now we can use this. As you can see, now it became a controller, like like we used to play on our old days. As if when you tap this, it works. It doesn't work on the screen, as you can see. So now you cannot hear the sound. All right, so for that you need to turn off your silent mode, but I won't turn it on because copyright and all that shit, as you can see. So yeah, that's how you play retro games, and hope this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel.